Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, printer HP Smart Tank 615, and I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when the paper loaded in the printer doesn't match the paper size selected for this document. As a result, the document might appear stiffed on the page. So click OK. I'll show you how to resolve this problem because I have selected A4 paper and I have installed A4 paper and all needs to be good, but as you can see I have the problem. So what we need to do, firstly we need to remove the paper from the paper slot and let's see inside of the printer. Here we have the plastic cover, we need to open it, and here as you can see we have 8.5x11E. I don't know what is the type of paper, but we need to set up this blue plastic, I don't know how it's called, so we need to move it to the A4 line. So move it, and now this is in the one position with A4. So maybe in this way will be better. And now try to insert A4 paper again. So no, I need to make it wider. Maybe a little wider. No, little wider again. Great. Now alright. And here, plain paper, letter to change size or type, touch modified, that's it, touch, okay. So, oh, wait a while. Go back. I'll try to reselect the paper again. Click modify, and now choose paper size and click A4, paper type plain paper. Click done, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.